Welcome to EasyJobs. Verifying your company profile on EasyJobs proves your business is legitimate and builds trust with potential candidates. Today we will learn how to verify your company website domain in just a few steps so you can start hiring with a credible, verified profile. Let's get started. In your dashboard, you will see a notice to verify your company. Click on the Details button on the dashboard notice. It will take you to the Verification tab in Company Setup Settings, where you will find the verification process information. You will need to add a TXT record in your domain hosting server to complete the process. From your domain hosting provider dashboard, navigate to Records and add a new record. Select Type as TXT. In the Name or Host field, paste the copied TXT record from the Verification tab. Then again, paste the copied string into the Answer field and save the record. After adding the record, return to the EasyJobs Company Setup Verification tab and hit the button Verify Company. Your company verification will be complete. That's how easily you can complete the verification process to make your company profile easily authorized by EasyJobs and successfully continue your hiring process. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.